Hi, Lily Humphrey here with SGI Property Management. And if you're currently managing your own rental property or thinking about doing it yourself, this video is for you. Self-managing can work out, but without the right systems in place, it can quickly turn into a full-time headache. Today, I'll show you how to manage your Phoenix rental property like a professional so you can stay organized, protect your investment, and get the most out of your rental income. If this video helps, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more local property management tips around the Tucson area. Step 1 is to know the laws and regulations. Before anything else, make sure you're familiar with Arizona landlord-tenant laws and any local Phoenix ordinances that may apply. That includes things like lease requirements, security deposit limits, eviction procedures, and fair housing laws. Even if you're just managing one property, you're still responsible for following the law. Failing to do so can lead to fines and legal trouble. Here in Arizona, property laws are taken seriously. Step 2 is to set up clear lease agreements. A strong lease is the foundation of good property management. Your lease should clearly outline rent amount, due dates, late fees, maintenance responsibilities, and guest or pet rules. In Arizona, leases often include specific clauses for repair responsibilities and notice periods. So make sure your agreement follows state law. Always use a lease that's written for Arizona and reviewed by a legal professional. Generic online templates might not give you the protection that you need. Step 3 is to market your property effectively. When your property is vacant, your goal is to fill it quickly but with the right tenant. Take high-quality photos that show off the space, write a clear and accurate listing, and post it across multiple rental platforms like Zillow, Apartments.com, and local Phoenix Facebook or Nextdoor groups. And don't just list the rent amount, highlight what makes your property special. Maybe it's close to a lake, great school districts, or near major employers. Those local touches can really stand out. Step 4 is to screen tenants thoroughly. One of the biggest mistakes new landlords make is rushing through tenant screening. Take your time and be consistent. Always check credit history, verify employment and income, review rental history and contact references. And remember, always follow fair housing guidelines when screening applicants to stay compliant. Self-managing can definitely be rewarding, but between legal compliance, maintenance calls, and rent collection, it can start to feel overwhelming. That's why many Phoenix landlords eventually bring in a property management company. At SGI, we help rental property owners across the Phoenix area stay compliant, save time, and reduce stress by handling everything from marketing and leasing to maintenance and rent collection. Even if you're not ready to hand things off yet, feel free to reach out with questions, and we're happy to offer guidance. Step 5 is to collect rent efficiently. Make it easy for tenants to pay on time. Set up an online rent payment system, clearly communicate due dates, and consistently follow through with late fees if needed. Avoid accepting cash whenever possible. Online payment portals make it easy to track rent, provide receipts, and stay organized, especially when managing taxes at the end of the year. Step 6 is to stay on top of maintenance. Regular maintenance keeps your property in great shape and your tenants happy. Respond quickly to repair requests, schedule seasonal inspections, and budget for long-term upkeep like HVAC systems, which is especially important here in Arizona summers. Have a reliable list of local vendors or contractors that you trust. That way, when something breaks, you're not scrambling to find help. Step 7 is to keep great records. Good record keeping is one of the easiest ways to protect yourself as a landlord. Keep digital copies of leases, rent payments, maintenance requests, and expense receipts. Not only will this make tax season much easier, it will also help when disputes arise. So, self-managing your Phoenix rental property takes effort, but with the right systems in place, it's possible. By staying organized, screening tenants carefully, and understanding your responsibilities, you can protect your investment and build long-term success. And even if you ever decide that you'd rather focus on the big picture instead of the day-to-day details, we'd be happy to help. At SGI, we handle all the moving parts so that you can enjoy passive income without the stress. If this video helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Phoenix property management tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.